Raise your hand if you've been here. There's a rule in our house. We try to end the day with love and not tension, and if we can't, we come back to each other as soon as we're ready. I do believe in a healthy repair with our children before we close our eyes for the day. But the truth, we're human. Sometimes we do go to bed mad. Sometimes overstimulation, exhaustion, and just a really long day get the best of us. And sometimes, even though I'm a pediatrician who talks about this stuff all day, I still snap. I remember one night I was short with my son. Really short. He was just being a kid, but I was drained. I put him to bed, got my daughter down, and then I felt that icky pit in my stomach feeling. So I went back into his room. I rubbed his back and I whispered, "I'm sorry I yelled at you. I love you so much. That wasn't fair to you." And sometimes the goal is not perfection before bed. It's reconnection whenever you're ready. If it's the morning after, that might sound like, "Hey, I yelled at you last night and that probably didn't feel good. That wasn't your fault and I'm working on handling my feelings better. I always love you, even when I'm upset." And remember, repair is more than just saying I'm sorry. It's taking accountability. That wasn't okay. Validating their experience. That probably felt hurtful. Reassuring safety and love. I always love you, even when I yell. Modeling regulation. Next time when I'm feeling upset, I'm going to try to take deep breaths. Want to try it with me? But if snapping becomes your default, not your exception, let's talk about that too. Repair is amazing, but helping you avoid those spirals in the first place, that's the real win. If you're finding yourself in a default mode of yelling, think, what's on your plate? Where's your support? What are your coping skills for stress, overstimulation, or being tired? What are you needing that's going unmet? Because yes, one-off moments are part of being human, but parenting from burnout every day, that's not sustainable, and it's not your fault. Always remember, you are not your worst moment. You're the parent who came back to reconnect. And that's what your child will remember and hold with them in their life and future relationships: accountability, humility, and safety. Share this if you found it helpful, and follow Pete's Doc Talk if you're not already for tools that help you repair and reset to help you be a more confident parent.